Hi Asad, I'm Biplab speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I work as well as in the morning 9 o'clock, and then I check my beta team and rental channel. I watch the beta rental channel Shushanin videos and try to understand about the Cody's work and also Redel, and then I go to at my ultimate list and check out our product also, and then I go my video BA task management, and today as your instruction I work on another supplier like Viking Wholesale, Safety Tech, Helmet and Ace&J Liquidator. Viking and Helmet have not got that much product which I set on UPC. I got some product Safety and Ace&J and set it on UPC and got the file, but I don't get any product actually. My opinion is that this for supplier is not okay for us, and that's all. And I work on Frontier actually. I have some remain product FBM, and I check out and got one product. I already set it on here, please check it out. And then I work on real work schedule, and their schedule work set it on rental channel also, and work on KGG ad, and also check out on the Emacs bill. So that is all my work detail. Thank you for my watching video. Bye.